Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening. In my last video you saw the stack of boxes I have to open with watches, maybe a pen, and after the comments we decided I'm going to do a box opening every couple 2 or 3 days till I get caught up. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see the watch I was wearing or opened in my last box opening, the new Electrician's hybrid mechanical. This thing hasn't left my wrist since I did the box opening. I am really digging this one. Make sure you go check it out if you want a little bit closer look. Now this watch is going to be one of my watches from Watchgang. This is actually my black membership watch from May. So like I said, I am behind on opening boxes. I think I already have my watch for June. So let's get this bad boy open and take a look at what we got. Now, if you're not familiar with Watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. They have different tier levels from the original tier, the black tier, and the platinum tier level. This is going to be a black tier level watch. For me, it was the $99 tier level. I did, however, just receive an email. Looks like the MSRP on this one is $310. You can see the SKU number there. I did just receive an email from Watchgang saying they were going to raise the prices on the tier levels due to inflation, trying to get watches, the whole shebang. Now, I'm being grandfathered in because I've had a Watchgang subscription for so long that as long as you keep your subscription active, you'll stay paying the price you were, which for me, the Watchgang Black membership is $99. Also, guys, if you're interested in signing up for Watchgang, make sure you click the links below. It'll get you some wheel spin points, me some wheel spin points, and there's also discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. So enough of that. It looks like we've got a Grayton. Now, I've had a few watches from Grayton from Watchgang, but so far I am digging the color on this dial. What do you guys think of that? It's got a little bit, I don't want to say textured, but a little bit of a brushed effect to the dial. It's nice, simple, and clean. We have a display case back there. Let me open this up and try and get some of the plastics off a little bit more so we can maybe take a little bit better look at it. Sometimes they come off easy like that and sometimes not so much. So maybe we lucked out here. All right, that's actually a pretty nice bracelet, a little bit better than the standard stamped clasp we see on some of them, or buckle we see on some of them. And looks like we have a NH35 movement. So I'm kind of excited to get an automatic. It feels like it's been a while since I've had an automatic. I could be wrong. So many watches, it's hard to keep track. So in the black tier level, it seems like when you do get an automatic, it's more than likely going to have that Seiko NH movement in it. And I have no issues with the Seiko NH35 movement. I've had tons and tons of watches at this point and never really had an issue with one with that movement in it. So let's go ahead and throw this Grayton on wrist and take a little bit better look at it on my roughly 7-inch wrist. So does not look too bad on wrist. It's actually a pretty nice size for me. It looks like I'm probably removing 3 to 4 links, maybe 3 links, and using some of the micro adjustments there, which is kind of nice that that bracelet has them. But I am digging that color. I'm a sucker for pretty much any red dial. It doesn't even matter the color of red, just because you don't see reds as much, and they are really eye-catching. I'm digging this one so far and gonna call it a win at my $99 tier level. Now, when I find out what the new price points are for the different tiers, I will make sure to let you guys know. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.